Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn practice set 4.2 of chapter 4 geometric constructions. So let us start with the exercise. So in this exercise we are going to draw a few tangents and based on different conditions. Okay, so let us see what are we supposed to do in the first question. So what is the first question? Construct a tangent to a circle with center P and radius 3.2 centimeter. Okay, so we first draw a circle with radius 3.2 centimeter and we'll then see what are we supposed to do. So we will place this here and this will be here. So I'll first draw the circle 3.2 of 3.2 centimeter. So by taking the radius, we first draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Okay, now after doing this, after drawing the circle, so this where you first draw the center of the circle. So this was the center of the circle. Okay, that is center P. They've given the center P, right? Then and radius 3.2. So this was radius 3.2 centimeter. Okay, so I draw radius say 3.2 centimeter. Okay, this is 3.2 centimeter, and now after that, what am I doing? I am supposed to construct a tangent at any point M on it. On this circle, wherever I want, I am supposed to draw a tangent at any point on it. Okay, so when I am drawing the tangent on any point, suppose this is a point M. Okay, so what will I do? You know, it's very easy. You just have to extend this. Okay, so we'll just extend this further. We are going to extend this further. Sorry. Okay, so this I'm going to extend further. This is the way. Okay, now after extending only 1 or 2 steps and our construction is done. We take a compass, we place it on a, and when we draw arcs, one on left side, one on the right side. Okay, on 2 sides of the segment, 2 sides of the point we draw this. Okay, so now these are the 2 points, and from here we are going to draw a perpendicular. See, we'll place this, we'll take this distance more than half. ये इतना छोटा लोगे तो arc नहीं बनेगा. You have to take it more than half and then you have to draw an arc here. One up, one down. Similarly, you'll place it here and draw one arc up and one arc down. And in this way, this is my intersecting point. There above it was one intersecting point. I am going to draw the tangent. So if you see, this is a tangent, no, touching at point M. Okay, so we have drawn whatever was asked to us. Okay, so you can see a radius and tangent are perpendicular. Okay, so this is how you draw. You can name this further. This is P, this is M, so you can name this line, suppose say line L. Okay, and this is how you get your first construction. Okay, now the next question, draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. Draw a tangent to a circle at any point on it. Okay, so same type of question is given. Okay, same, nothing different, but here only the radius has changed. So what am I going to do? I am going to take the radius as 2.7. Okay, so this is radius 2.7. Draw the circle. This is 2.7. Okay, and then see here nothing is given. What is the center, what is the radius, nothing is given, only the measurement of the radius. So you can name with whatever alphabet you want. Suppose if I name this as O. Okay, so if I name this like this, after this we draw the radius and we extend it further like we did in the previous one. Okay, so we're just going to do like what we what we did in the previous part. So we draw and extend it. This radius is 2.7, you can write down 2.7 centimeter. Okay, after this, place this here and you can draw an arc of whatever measurement you want. Suppose if I draw one arc here left side and the other arc I draw on the right side. After this, take distance more than half of this and then we draw arcs here as well as here. Okay, so we are going to draw arcs here. So here also we are going to draw the arc of the same measurement and then we draw this perpendicular. So we draw this, but this is a point. We can name whatever you want to. Suppose if I name this in, you can name this as line L. Okay, so this is your same type of a sum but with different radius. Okay, let us move towards the next question. So now we have a different type of question here. Draw a circle of radius 3.6. So I have to draw a radius of 3.6 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center. So now when you get such question without using the center, we have some different method to do it. Okay, so what we do here, first we draw a circle. That is very easy to do. So even if in a sum, if you don't know how to solve it, at least you can draw a circle and you can take the marks for drawing the circle at least. So always go step by step. Firstly, draw the radius, the circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. So suppose if this is the circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. This method is only used when we are asked to draw the circle without using the center. Okay, so if you see, I have made the circle like this. Now what you are supposed to do is you make a chord anywhere you want. Okay, suppose wherever you wish to. Okay, suppose if I make a chord like this, the center is here. Okay, so you have to name the center O. Suppose whatever, not O only, you can name whatever. So I draw one chord. Okay, but that chord can be of any measurement. Sometimes they give you the measurement of chord also, but here it's not required. So this chord is, I draw a chord here. Okay, and after that, what am I supposed to do? I draw triangle. I first draw a chord and then I draw a triangle. Any measurements inside a circle, you can draw a triangle kind of thing of whatever measurement you want. Suppose this was my chord, right? So first I'll name the chord. Suppose if I want to name this, I'll name it as, say, suppose this is A, B. Okay, this is my chord and I have drawn this, okay, arc here. So now what will I do? This was my chord. So on the opposite vertex, I'll draw this. I'll draw an arc like this. You can draw, place it here. So after drawing this arc, this same measurement, we are not going to remove that. We are going to keep the same measurement and you can keep here or here, wherever you want. But you draw the arc outside the circle. The one on the chord or on the side of the triangle and one other part goes outside the circle. Okay, like this. Okay, now after doing this, you will take this measurement. Okay, either you place and take like this, or you place here and you take it like this, whatever you feel is correct. Okay, so if I take this like this, what am I going to do then? I'm going to keep this here and I'm going to draw arc outside okay, outside the triangle here. Okay, so now I am getting 2 points of intersection. If you see, one is this and one is this. So from this my tangent is going to pass. So this is going to be my tangent without using the, I did not use a center. यहाँ से मैंने वो बनाया ही नहीं line, and I did not, I am not using the center. Without using the center, I am drawing the circle, the tangent for this. Okay, so this is how you draw the tangent. You can name this as A, B, C. Yeah, you can name this arc if you want, say D. Okay, and this line you can name suppose L, whatever. Okay, so this is how you draw when you have been asked to draw a tangent to a circle without using the center. Okay, now the next kind of sum. Draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 centimeter. Draw tangents to a circle at point P and Q. Write your observation about the tangents. So what are we supposed to do here? Firstly, we will go step by step. Draw a circle of radius 3.3. Fine. So we will draw a circle of radius 3.3. So we take 3.3 on our compass. So I take this and I draw 3.3 ka. Circle. I draw the circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. Okay, so this is my circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. So suppose if I name the center as O. Okay, now what is the next step? Draw chord PQ of length 6.6. Now look at this, 3.3 and 6.6. Isn't this double of this? Yes. So radius ka double kaun hota hai? It's the diameter. Yes, the double of radius is always diameter, right? So this chord is nothing but the diameter. So here they are saying that this diameter is going to be 6.6. Rather than giving directly, they are indirectly telling us. Okay. So this is P and this is Q. So we have finished this, we have finished this. Now draw tangents to the circle at points P and Q. So here we have to draw the tangents. So that's very easy. We have done this type of first and second sum. So what you will do, you will extend both the sides. Isko yahan se and here you are going to extend. Okay. After extending, you are going to draw this ray here and here also. After doing this, like we did previously, if you want to draw, place here, draw an arc, place here, draw an arc. Okay. After that, keep it here, draw an arc above the line, draw an arc below the line. Similarly, draw an arc above the line and draw an arc below the line. Okay. So this is how we are going to get our tangent at point P. Okay. So this is going to be perpendicular to the radius. Okay. So this is one. Also we have to draw the tangent on this side. So again I will place this here and I will draw arcs. I will draw arcs properly. So here one arc, here the other one, then I will draw arcs above the line and below the line. Okay, so these are the two tangents which we draw, and this is perpendicular to radius. So this was your third and the fourth sum. Okay, now we will be moving towards the fifth sum. So now the next question, draw the circle with radius 3.4, draw chord MN of length 5.7 in it, construct tangents at point M and N to the circle. So see now, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to draw a circle. We'll go one by one. So we'll first draw this, a radius 3.4. Okay, so we take the radius 3.4 here. We take radius 3.4 and we draw the circle. So we draw this circle here. So this is a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. Okay, now this is a center with circle, center of. Now we have to draw a chord of 5.7 centimeter. So we have to check 5.7 is here. So suppose if I place it here, this 5.7 I have to draw. So yeah, I can draw it this way. If you see, check. See, this will be distance 5.7. You have to adjust it properly. Yeah? See, from here till here. Anyhow, you have to adjust. See, this is still 5.6. So you can just move your ruler a little bit. So this is 5.7. Okay. So this I have drawn a chord of measurement 5.7 centimeter. And the name is MN. So I name it as M and N. Now what is asked to us is, you have to draw tangents through M and N. Now you cannot extend this. You cannot extend this and draw an arc like we did in the previous fourth sum. No, you cannot, because this is not at the diameter or at the radius. When it is on the radius, when we are using the center, that time we use this method of extending and then drawing arcs. But here we are not using the center here, right? So we here we have a different method to do it. So what method are we going to follow now? So for this, what will we do? Firstly, from here the center, we are going to draw a ray like this, and similarly from here we are going to draw a ray like this, okay, to point N, and then we'll see here. See, so from center I have drawn rays here. After doing this, I am going to draw perpendiculars to this, like we did in the previous methods. Simple, we place it here. Now you can follow that method, see, of using the center and the radius. So what I did, chord I made, and I made a radius like this. Now after placing it here, you can draw arcs here and then you can draw perpendicular arcs above the line and below the line here. So like this. Same thing you can do from this side also, this arc also. Place this here and then you can do it here. Okay. After doing this, draw this tangent at this point. Okay, so this is one tangent. Same thing you are going to do here. So what we are going to do, we are going to place at N. We are going to place this at N, and we are going to draw an arc on this, and here also on this. ये हमने क्या बनाया, सर्कल है एंड सेंटर से रेडियस बना के इसको एक्सटेंड किया, ऐसे समझ के यू कैन ड्रॉ. ओके, एंड देन ड्रॉ आर्क्स अप, down, similarly draw arcs up, down, and then we draw this. Okay, so this other tangent, one tangent at M and radius and tangent, and one tangent here at N. So these are the two tangents that we have made. Okay, let us move towards the next question. Now draw a circle with center P. So we have to draw a circle with center P now and radius 3.4 centimeter. So let us do step by step. So first we'll draw a circle with 3.4 radius. So this is 3.4. Okay, so I am going to draw a circle with radius 3.4. This is 3.4. You take this center here Okay, we name it as center P and radius 3.4. So this is my radius 3.4. Okay, this is a so I draw this radius 3.4 here. Okay, then take point Q at a distance 5.5 from the center. So यहाँ से 3, this is 3.3, means 5.5 will go somewhere outside. Yes, so what we are going to do is we are going to extend this further. We are going to extend this line further. Okay. Now, after doing this, let us check now what is the distance that we want. 5.5. So 5.5 is here. This is my distance, and at this distance we have to take point Q. So this is point Q, which is at a distance of 5.5. Okay. Now from here, what has been told? We have to construct tangent to the circle from point Q. Means we have to draw construct tangents here. From this point, we have to draw tangents. Okay. So how are we going to do that? So for this, it's very simple. Draw the perpendicular bisector of this. Perpendicular bisector means a line which passes exactly through the center of the circle. So we are going to take P and Q. We are going to place this compass. One arc I am going to draw up. One arc I am going to draw down. One arc up. One arc down. And I am going to draw this. Okay, so this is going to be the perpendicular bisector of this. So perpendicular bisector, when we make, now we don't draw arcs like this. We directly from the endpoints we draw this arcs. Okay, like this. Now after doing this, what are we supposed to do? Now you will take this distance. Suppose if I name this distance as m, this point as m, you are going to take pm as the radius of this. From this as a center and this as a distance, you are going to draw an arc here. Okay, and here also you are going to draw an arc. Okay, and now these are the points of intersection from where you are going to draw tangents. So this is one tangent and the other one you are going to draw it here. So this is how we are going to draw the tangents to the circle. Okay, suppose if I have to name this, I can name these arcs, suppose A and B. Okay, if you get confusion between this, what you can do, you can draw directly like this also for your convenience. Okay, you can do that also. Okay, so this is what we this is how we get the tangents to the circle. Okay, and then we go towards the last sum of this exercise.